So I would like to know what occurs on a molecular level when sound travel. So being able to write and compose music, understanding the physics of music is inevitable.
Pathological compulsion is an abnormal, constant pursuit. Now, we understand that these are the 5 emotional attributes that are induced during manic episodes. Now we're going to take a transdisciplinary, a multidisciplinary, a cross-disciplinary, and an interdisciplinary approach to sort of circumvent it and do a primitive, primordial level has ingrained some level of consciousness on an infinite.
And maybe we're going to come up with some other better idea than either of us had before. So we take the good parts about what we were saying and apply them to this new thing, like in that way that you synthesize.
Ambiguity in semantics, where I explore every facet of ambiguity in semantics, primarily.
Right, I mean,
Sound. What is amplitude, frequency, velocity? Why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Look in cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.